Press this. Little bit rev you can give. Little bit, huh? Give.
Thank you. Glad to meet you.
Same here, likewise.
I met my subscribers below my home. They were waiting for me.
International subscribers.
सब जगह पहुंच जाते हैं यार, वेडिंग में भी आ जाते हैं.
बोल दे अभी क्या? My subscribers are waiting for me below the building since an hour, and I finally made their day.
It will?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is just sound check. This is just mic check.
Okay.
We can do by side. That mic just worked perfectly.
Sure.
Because I had tried the 1000,
Uh-huh.
then I had tried the ZX10R.
Okay.
I don't know how it worked, but वो हो गया.
That was beautiful. Good afternoon, YouTube. My name is Nirav. You're watching the Nirav vlogs. Today we are in Marine Drive, like not exactly Marine Drive right now. अभी पेडर रोड पे है. फिर जाएंगे मरीन ड्राइव. आज फोटो शूट करना है थोड़ा बहुत. एंड दिस इज माय हायाबुसा, थोड़ा फोटो शूट के लिए. देख रहा है कब से बाइक को और आगे ही नहीं जा रहा है. शॉक. So Udit is going to meet me with one of his friends. I don't remember his name because I'm meeting him for the first time now. Udit से मेरी बात हो चुकी थी WhatsApp पे, Instagram पे, so I know him by his name. So he normally clicks pictures at Worli Sea Face, but अभी आज plan था meeting, like meeting point was at Marine Drive. ट्राइडेंट के तो रुका हुआ है. थोड़ा बहुत पिक्चर्स ले लेंगे और उसके बाद विल बी हेडिंग बैक होम. Hello Udit. Yeah, where are you? Okay, you're at Trident. Oh, okay. Cool. I'm coming. I'm at CCD actually. I'm just outside CCD, so I'll just come. It's like 2 minutes away from there. Yeah, sure.
it's okay यार.
Sorry.
अरे it's okay.
I actually had a meeting early morning.
I felt it. बाबा. क्योंकि Saturday है ना.
Actually working नहीं रहता, but still it was like. So that's Udit and that's Dwanel. Gonna take them out for dinner, sorry, for lunch mostly. because बहुत टाइम से खड़े हैं बेचारे यार. मैं बहुत लेट हो गया, कुछ मीटिंग से कुछ था मेरा काम, so that's the reason. But still, a lunch can sort it out. So Udit is taking some pictures. They want some stable shots, and then later on maybe some flyby rolling shots. देखते हैं. Plan तो वैसे ही.
Your YouTube?
Yeah, it's going on.
Hi.
So that's Udit and that's Dwanel.
Yes.
मैंने वहाँ पे किया था, बट ये शायद से ऑन नहीं हुआ, वो सिर्फ ऑन हुआ था.
Oh, okay.
So it's like we have booked this first lane on Marine Drive. But normally we do it like, you know, from the Trident area we normally park it over there. हम लोग का मीटिंग पॉइंट है, सब लोग वहाँ पे मिलते हैं, सब स्पोर्ट्स बाइक वाले. एंड देन ये पूरा रोड अपना ही रहता है. फोटो काट देता है, काटना.
निंदर उसको बाइक के साथ फोटो.
अरे नो वरीज, आजा.
बा
Hayabusa.
और हो गए. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
वेलकम. It happened?
Yeah. It was like what, 3-4 rounds?
It did?
But that's decent. Like,
I don't want to wear out my tires, that's the reason.
yeah, it is wearing out your tire. But mark आ गया, skid mark आ गया. No, that's decent. Like,
It came or what? I mean, in the phone.
आया, smoke आया.
No, the capture. Did you capture
Yeah,
it?
I captured it. I understand.
It's like I'm doing it. It's like
I felt वो
100 kilometers are done and there's one burnout.
And your first one?
On this, yes.
Wow.
I've done many on my other bikes, but not on this.
I saw you like coming into the position and I was like seeing the bike do up and down. I was like, banda bhar raha hoga. See, this is happening.
Ah, lovely.
This is second round. First round bhi hua tha.
Acha. The first burnout on Hayabusa. ये
First
बनता है.
mark.
Yeah, first mark.
This place will be remembered.
Yeah, I'll remember this spot now. It's like the Sebastian Vettel's burnout on the Booth International Circuit.
Yeah. No?
27, MP4 27.
MP4 27. Acha.
That's like 2010. हाँ, F1.
हाँ.
2010, 11 का
That's a
गाड़ी.
V10. That's a V10.
V10. Amazing. I mean, that sound.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can I take one photo?
Yeah, sure.
Can you tell your YouTube name?
It is Daily Nirav Vlogs. I'll put you on the vlog. It's on. What's your name?
Sairaj.
Sairaj.
Hi.
तुमचं काय नाव?
Balaji.
बालाजी.
एक फोटो.
हां काढ. आणि ही यूट्यूबची लिंक आहे.
Okay.
तुम्ही फॉलो करू शकता.
हार्दिक पंड्या.
Please.
पंड्या आहे. पंड्या सगळ्या शाळेचे पंड्या आहे.
This one.
Thank you. Glad to meet you.
Same here, likewise. You're on channel, by the way. You're on video now. What's your name?
Akshara.
Akshara.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
You are getting content today, huh? That was Hardik Pandya. Most
But he's
probably.
not here, no? He's not
Most
here.
probably. Must be his driver.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want to take picture? You can take pictures as well.
Excuse me.
Bolo.
Can you on the bike?
Yeah, sure.
Because the only silverish
Yeah, it
G-Wagon
says.
is uska.
हाँ.
One of them is uska.
एक काम कर. Come here. Press this. Little bit rev you can give. Little bit, huh? Give.
So can I have a picture with you?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Photo. Stand up. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And me also.
काय?
पुण्याला गाडी घेऊन
मी येतो भरपूर वेळेला.
हो का कुठे
कोथरूडला. नगर जो एरिया आहे ना.
हडपसरला
अच्छा
मगरपट्टा सिटी
अच्छा. म्हणजे केपीच्या साईडला का? अच्छा.
एकदा फोटो.
हां ये ना.
गाडी भी आली.
You're welcome.
Your bike is too hot because the phone got hot.
Really? And then again a right turn.
Yeah.
Then it's Makers. I guess this building, yeah, this building or just next to it is the Makers.
ठीक है.
जहाँ पे हर्षद मेहता का ऑफिस
हाँ
था.
हाँ 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 हाँ. ठीक. Let's meet at Makers.
Sure. You taking a taxi or what? Walking distance है.
Walking.
हाँ. We are heading to have some food, but अभी थोड़ा बहुत ही हम लोग खाने वाले हैं. मैं तो मोस्टली लस्सी पीने वाला हूँ बिकॉज मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए अभी फ़िलहाल. बिकॉज आई एम वेरी यू कैन से वेरी हॉट, सो आई डोंट वांट टू हैव एनीथिंग राइट नाउ. थोड़ा बहुत लस्सी पिस्सी पी के आई विल जस्ट गो बैक होम. मुझे कुछ खाना नहीं है वैसे. कुछ खाया तो मिसल पाव कुछ खा लूँगा. वेरी लाइट.
इंस्टाला कुठलं टाकायचं ते गाडी पाहिली मी आता ते कॅमेरा वगैरे पाहिलं म्हणलं बरोबर. मला ते भरपूर नाद आहे. मी त्याचे लडाखचे वगैरे सगळे व्हिडिओ बघत असतो.
अच्छा. मी कन्याकुमारीला जाऊन आलो.
असं का?
लडाख करायचं मला.
हां हां हां.
हे माझं.
ओके
आणि हे यूट्यूबचं चॅनल आहे.
ओके थँक्यू.
वेलकम. तुमचं नाव काय?
सोमनाथ शिरसाट.
कुठले तुम्ही?
मी नगरचा.
अहमदनगर.
हो.
मला जायचं एकदा अहमदनगर राईड करायला. माझी मैत्रीण एक राहते.
12 पाहिले मी म्हणलं पुण्यासाठीची का काय?
नाही इकडची आहे.
हो, हो.
पण पुण्याला रजिस्टर्ड केली. वेलकम. तुम्ही आहात यूट्यूबवरती मी टाकून
ओके.
2-3 दिवसात टाकेन मी.
हो हो.
Several months later.
goes like let's see if it works.
That was the motor vlogger's beatboxing.
Oh my god.
Of a automobile enthusiast.
So stay updated, subscribe to Nirav, and we'll see you guys next time.
I will see him as well and
Dwanil, our editor.
Yes. पता नहीं कि मुझे इंस्टिंक्ट आया था कि GoPro ऑन करना चाहिए आते वक्त.
Mr. Nirav Vichare, is the GoPro recording?
Yes.
अरे इसमें एग्जॉस्ट भी डाल रहे हैं. मैं तो सोच रहा तेरे को कॉल करने का फिर
तू कॉल कर रहे क्या?
नहीं मैं जा रहा था अभी बाहर. बोला अभी क्या मिलूंगा, मेरे को निकलना भी है. हम ब्लॉग पे आएंगे.
इधर कैसे?
I met my subscribers below my home. They were waiting for me.
International subscribers.
सब जगह पहुंच जाते हैं यार, वेडिंग में भी आ जाते हैं. बोल दे अभी क्या? My subscribers are waiting for me below the building since an hour, and I finally made their day.